So I've got my entertainment stand here. Now the entertainment stand is 70 inches wide. It does have two cabinet doors with metal handles here. It does have shelves on the inside. Now these are adjustable, and the doors themselves, they've got soft close. Above that we have three openings, and also on the back side of those openings there's little holes in there, and that allows you to go ahead and feed your wires through for maybe if you have a DVD player or some speakers, stereo system, TV equipment, anything, things like that. Also, it does come with a remote control. And you can use a remote control with the fireplace, or you can use the buttons on the fireplace. The fireplace, when you turn it on, you'll see it's kind of a red glow. There are actually 12 different colors. It's real easy to go ahead and scroll through all those. Now, what I like about it too, this cabinet actually has some LED lights up underneath here. There's 12 LED colors. So, of course, you can have them all on, or if you want to, you can go ahead and turn those off also. And then the fireplace, it is 1500 watts. The temperature is anywhere from 65 degrees up to 95 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on 75. I can hear the fan coming on, and the heat is coming out through these vents right here. There's also a timer. You can adjust it anywhere from 1 hour all the way up to 8 hours. And when the lights are turned down and you're watching television, and then you also have this on with fireplace, I mean, it really looks fantastic. I am very impressed with it. Now, this does arrive in two boxes. One box is for the cabinet itself. The second box, which is a smaller box, is going to be for the fireplace insert. This took me right around an hour and a half to 2 hours to put together. My wife and I put it together. It wasn't any problem. Everything was marked very well, easy to put together, and I'm really happy with it, and I think it looks fantastic. Hope you found this helpful.